everyone, make sure to finish this assignment by the end of class.
Okay, Professor.
Whatever.
Ugh, I don't understand any of this. Angel, can you help me?
Of course I'll help you. Devil, Mia, do you want to work with us too?
Yeah, sure.
I'm busy.
Okay, suit yourself.
Okay guys, you have 5 minutes to turn in the assignment.
What? 5 minutes? I haven't done anything yet.
You should have worked with us. We finished everything already.
Really? Since they finish all their assignments, I'll just replace mine with one of theirs. Perfect. Now I'll definitely get an A on this assignment.
Okay guys, it's time to turn in your assignment.
Here you go, Professor.
Huh? Devil, why are you turning in Mia's paper? Where's your assignment?
Oh, it's because it's just,
That's it, you get an F. Next time, turn in your own assignment. Thank you. Since we know that x equals 62 degrees, we can use that to figure out the other angles in the circle.
Oh, this class is so boring. I need some sort of entertainment. I'll let the chaos begin.
All right, who did it? Ivy, Mia, or was it you, Devil?
It wasn't me. Me either.
Yeah, we were all just sitting here.
Fine, but I've got my eyes on you guys.
Aw, poor Professor. I know. I'll give this present to Professor so she'll feel better.
A gift? I'm not done just yet.
Here, Professor, I hope this makes you feel better.
Oh, how sweet, thank you.
I hope you enjoy that present, Professor.
Oh, Angel, you've been breaking me.
No, that wasn't me.
That's it, leave my class now. All right, everyone, you have 1 hour to finish your exam.
I'll finish this test easily with my cheat sheet.
What? Devil's cheating? That's not fair.
Huh? It's blank. Oh, I have another one here somewhere.
Devil, stop cheating.
Mind your own business, Angel. Stop watching me.
Devil, you shouldn't cheat.
No, that's fine. Stop watching me.
That's enough. You guys are being way too loud. Both of you leave my class.
Yes.
I didn't do anything wrong.
No, leave now.
Maybe I'll just go.
Wait.
Devil, what took you so long? You're almost an hour late.
Who cares? I'm here now, aren't I?
I guess, but this is your last chance.
All right. That's fine. Ugh, I have something to make it up to you. These are for you.
There's eyeballs in there. That's terrifying. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving.
Wait! No, come back, please!
Oh, hey, you're here early.
Of course I did. I didn't want to miss this date. I came an hour early.
Okay. I got these for you.
Wow, for me? I brought you some things too.
Oh, you didn't have to.
Oh, it's nothing. I got you a new phone and the newest gaming system.
Whoa, Angel, this is way too much. It's only the first date.
They're only presents.
Yeah, you can keep them. I think we should see other people. And I'm taking these back.
Ooh, popcorn is perfect for the movie. Mmm, so good.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to share my popcorn with her. Oh, this is perfect. Now I can just put the popcorn in my hood.
Huh? Where's the popcorn?
Oh, I think you ate it all.
Devil's being so selfish. I'll fix that.
Ooh, where'd that popcorn come from?
Huh? Oh, man.
Mmm, these sandwiches look so good. They do?
Hey, guys. Ew, are those just regular sandwiches?
Yeah, they look so good. Yeah, you should get one.
No way. Candy's way better.
Whoa.
Hey, you can't eat all that candy. You need to eat something like fruit. Eat healthy.
No, candy's the best.
No, eat healthy.
Junk food is
Vegetables.
always the best for junk food.
Actually, I don't think we're hungry anymore. Yeah, we'll be at the library.
Whatever.
I'm so stressed. I can't focus on anything.
You have to keep going. Finish all your work.
Don't listen to him. All you need is a small break.
Really?
Yeah, stand up and follow my lead.
What?
You just need to do some yoga.
Wow, you're right. I feel so much better now.
What? You don't have enough pressure. Here, do my work too.
Wait, what? Don't worry, I'll help you with it.
See?
We don't need too many things, we just need some school supplies.
What? No way. We have to get snacks.
Fine, buy whatever you want, but I'm gonna get school supplies. I need some markers, and some colored pencils, and some crayons. I'm ready to check out.
I need some of these and these. Oh, and I can't forget sweets. I need to make sure Angel pays for this.
Huh? I didn't grab any of these snacks. Devil! Ha! Take that!
Now she has to buy it. Oh, my snacks.
Ah, perfect. Just these items, please.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the bell button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Precaution.